Okay, we're right across the street from the job we did last week. I'm gonna go ahead and fix this up and get it all cleaned up. We're gonna clean up the edges, get them nice and straightened up, cut back a little, get all this vegetation and dirt out of the corner, make the apron again, and then go ahead up here, get these edges all straightened out. Make sure there's no existing sealer like that right there. Well, we make sure that we capture all this old sealer so we don't get blamed for it. Any splashes on the old material here, you can see where the old crack fill kind of overlaps, which is fine. But that old sealer right there, that's not good. Someone messed up. They should have came back and wire brushed it. Looks like there's a little splash there. And just some small splashes here and there. We just want to make sure we document it all. Look, there's a bunch right here. It's all old asphalt sealer splash. Let's see if they got any on the garage. You can see they got it lined around here, which is okay. I kind of do that as well. You get your bead and you carry it along, and you want to make sure you fill these. It almost acts as like a rubber agent. Small splashes. Nothing major on the garage door. They must have had it up maybe. I don't know if that's a sealer or not, but we're not going to touch it with dirty gloves. And we got some built up right here. We need to get some of this old shit out of here and replace it. It almost looks like great stuff filling right there. We'll try to dress it up some. We tied back her flowers, so we're gonna cut that in. Yep, but that's it. Get the crack filled. And I'll go ahead and bring you guys to the finished product when we're done. Alright, we're back here from Asphalt Kings. We just got finished up prepping up the driveway. Now see, this is one thing I wanted to discuss is old tar. Now your old tar strips, as long as they're on there thick and not all ripping apart, you can actually reuse by just heating up and using some form of squeegee when you need it to reattach. And then I use some high traffic foot crack filler, just kind of self-leveling stuff that gets down in there. You want to squirt her in there, let it get down in all the nooks and crannies for about 15-20 minutes, and then you'll squeegee that one in. We actually got a little spot up here we still got to hit. Matter of fact, sealer's thick enough. I use good sealer, should fill that in. So we'll go ahead and get started. Alright, just finishing up here. Nice and black. Got a ribbon up. I reused this ribbon, so that's why it's not open. Nice little straightish line. See, it sucks that I'm all by myself. Usually we have a board we slide across as we spray. Not only is it faster than brushing in a straight line, but it seems a little more efficient. It's hard to brush a straight line. But yeah, got all the cracks filled. And see, I used the old tar because you don't want to build that tar up. See, that tar, whenever the sun bakes it, it'll transfer onto tires, onto your feet, go into the house, be in your garage. You don't want that. So just be mindful that your crack filler can essentially make a mess if you layer her on there. But yeah, keep the street clean so rocks and stuff don't bounce right up in there while it's curing still. A little late in the evening, so we're gonna go ahead and collect our cones, head home to the wife. See you on the next one.